All right, home builders out there, contractors, general contractors, you know what this is, but other than using this on your house, this thing has many uses in your car as well. Let's go check it out. All right, many of you general contractors know this is a moisture reader. It has these two probes. You prod into any surface and it tells you a moisture reading. So how can this help you in the automotive world? Well, many of you with sunroofs or older cars may experience leaks into your car, into your carpet. Most of the time you won't notice until something catastrophic happens. For example, water getting into your ECM, BCM, or any kind of electronic module in your car. Most of the times you won't even notice until you touch it with your hands, and even then you most likely won't be able to tell if there's any moisture getting into the car. So we will test this on the carpet. Got myself a bottle of water spray, and we'll see if this thing works and how it can help you. Let's go to the car. All right, got the thing on. Last night I left my window open and basically exposed this side to the elements. Things like morning dew can moisten your carpet. So let's see. All right here. It's detecting a low reading. Okay, anything above 33% is a cause of concern. Let's see over here. Whoa, 20%. So yeah, leaving the window open on this side definitely affected the moisture levels on this side of the carpet. Let's head to the driver's side and see if there's any moisture on that side. All right, we're at the driver's side. This side was completely shut off from the elements, so there shouldn't be any moisture here. I can feel it, it's rock hard. So let's see here. It's not reading anything. There is no moisture at all. This thing is rock hard, and slight moisture on that side. I'm guessing some of the moisture passed through from the passenger side, but this side is generally pretty dry. It's not getting any readings here. So yeah, if you guys want to use this device to pinpoint source of leaks, this thing is a great tool. As like I said, I left the passenger side window open and you saw the moisture level readings on that side. So if you were to troubleshoot some issues, some leaks in your car, you can use this tool to help you pinpoint where the leak is coming from. So if you guys want to check it out, it's General, made by General. I have a link in my description below. You guys can also use this in your house to look for leaks on your drywall, tile, wood, whatever. So yeah, I have a link in my description below. Go get it. It's a very, very important tool to use. And thank you guys for watching.